In this video, you'll learn the fundamentals of performing calculations in Microsoft Excel using math operators. We'll cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, giving you the building blocks for more complex formulas and data analysis. Let's start with the addition operator. The symbol for addition in Excel, as you know, is the plus sign. You can use it to add numbers together. The basic syntax involves using the equals sign, followed by the values or cell references you want to add, separated by a plus sign. For example, you can write equals A1 plus B1 to add the values in cells A1 and B1. You can also directly add numbers like equals 10 plus 20. The sum function can also be used, equals sum, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5, close parenthesis to add up a range of cells. Multiple addition is also possible like A1 plus B1 plus C1. Next, let's discuss the subtraction operator. The symbol for subtraction is the minus sign. Similar to addition, you begin with the equals sign, then enter the values or cell references you want to subtract, using the minus sign in between. In the example, equals A1 minus B1 subtracts the value in cell B1 from the value in cell A1. You can also subtract numbers directly like equals 100 minus 50. For consecutive subtraction, you can use equals A1 minus B1 minus C1. You can also use the sum function in combination with subtraction like equals sum, open parenthesis, A1 colon A3, close parenthesis minus B1. Now let's explore the multiplication operator. In Excel, multiplication is represented by the asterisk symbol. To multiply numbers, again, start with the equals sign, then enter the values or cell references, using the asterisk between them. For instance, equals A1 asterisk B1 multiplies the values in cells A1 and B1. You can also multiply numbers directly, like equals 6 asterisk 8. To multiply multiple values, use equals A1 asterisk B1 asterisk C1. The product function equals product open parenthesis, A1 colon A3 close parenthesis, can also be used to multiply a range of cells. Let's move on to the division operator. The division operator in Excel is the / symbol. To divide, start with the equals sign, followed by the value or cell reference you want to divide, then the / and finally the divisor. For example, equals A1 / B1 divides the value in cell A1 by the value in cell B1. Direct division is also possible, equals 100 / 20. For dividing by a sum, you can use equals A1 / open parenthesis B1 plus C1 close parenthesis. The sum function can also be used in combination with division, equals sum, open parenthesis, A1 colon A3, close parenthesis, /3. It's important to understand the order of operations, often remembered by the acronym PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Excel follows this order when evaluating formulas. Anything inside parentheses is calculated first, followed by exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. For example, in the formula equals 2 plus 3 asterisk 4, Excel first multiplies 3 by 4, resulting in 12, then adds 2, giving a final result of 14. However, if you use parentheses like equals open parenthesis 2 plus 3 close parenthesis asterisk 4, Excel first adds 2 and 3 resulting in 5, then multiplies by 4, giving a final result of 20. Another example equals 10 / 2 plus 3. Excel first divides 10 by 2, resulting in 5, and then adds 3, giving a final result of 8. Let's look at a few practical examples. First, consider a sales calculation. Here we calculate total revenue and profit. The formula in cell C2, equals A2 asterisk B2, calculates the revenue by multiplying the price in cell A2 by the quantity in cell B2. The formula in cell C4, equals B4 minus A4, calculates the profit by subtracting the cost in cell A4 from the revenue in cell B4. Next, let's do a budget analysis. In this example, we track expenses and remaining budget. The formula in cell C2 equals A2 minus B2 calculates the remaining budget by subtracting the amount spent in cell B2 from the total budget in cell A2. The formula in cell A4 equals B2/A2 calculates the percentage of the budget used by dividing the amount spent in cell B2 by the total budget in cell A2. Here are some key takeaways to remember. Always use the equals sign to start your formulas. Every Excel formula must begin with an equals sign to tell Excel it's a calculation. Keep in mind that PEMDAS matters in Excel. Excel follows the mathematical order of operations. Use parentheses to control the calculation sequence. Reference cells, not values. Use cell references like A1, B2, instead of hard-coded numbers for dynamic calculations. And finally, practice makes perfect. Start with simple calculations and gradually build more complex formulas. Remember these 4 math operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.